सेक्स और चिरकिन से भरपूर हमारा सेक्स अपील ऊज करता हुआ द चिल आर.
The owner of that house, in whose house we were filming, was shot dead the previous night after we finished shooting there.
That scene was our homage to Kal Ho Na Ho.
So wrong. So wrong.
What do you guys think? Which is the toughest film to enact?
Most people can't get भेड़ियों का समूह. It's the toughest film to get in a dumb charade, by the way.
मतलब
चिड़ियों का समूह is actually difficult.
it depends on who's
चिड़ियों
in
नहीं,
the
भेड़ियों का समूह. I brought in social media in this country technically, so I'm the one responsible for all the nonsense that you're doing.
What nonsense?
A lot of heartbreaks, where sex is easy, love is hard. That world created by me. So yeah. आनंद से लेके शोले सब रीमेक है यार.
Sholay? How's it going?
Going on, bro.
Good. I like that look. Huh? The one that you just did right now. हाँ.
दिखता ऐसे ही हूँ मैं.
नहीं
यही look आएगा.
नहीं अभी जो आपने अभी किया
Intense look
intense.
with a flash of naughtiness. That's his Turkey look basically.
How would you describe Amir?
Turkey.
You. You know, my
Are we
first
recording
film
नहीं
was
ना?
written-
क्या हाँ रोल हो रहा है?
रोल हो रहा है ठीक है हाँ. Turkey ultra. I describe him as a friend, a very very old friend.
Yeah.
Okay.
Or a
My
very young
first
friend.
film is written by him.
Talk to us about like both of your friendship. When did you
Well,
guys first meet?
I wrote ये क्या हो रहा है? His debut film.
I was just out of college kind
I
of
have
a
written.
person.
I have written 4 films of Amir by made by Hansel. One released, three did not. Okay. So yeah, the strike rate was off. But then we did Trial recently, which came out last year, and then Lutere, which came out this year. So we have known each other thick and
He's
thin.
been a part of my journey.
How long? How many years has it been?
I'm 16 years old, but it's been about 20 years old.
Oh, nice.
Since the time I started my career.
मैं ऐसा kindergarten
He's
teacher था. इसीलिए ऐसा टर्न आउट.
गलत चीजों की थी.
जिस कॉलेज में गया
Describe.
प्रिंसिपल.
No, describe.
Bro,
Describe.
ऐसे ऐसे moments हैं हम share भी नहीं कर सकते मगर we've been through.
We can't share anything
everything.
that we have been through together, but yeah, it's interesting.
थोड़ा बहुत तो शेयर कर ही सकते हैं.
कुछ भी नहीं शेयर कर सकते.
तब फिर क्या मतलब हुआ फिर
I
पॉडकास्ट
have
का?
climbed buildings to say hi to him.
Yeah, he has.
Really?
I have heard
When he
this
thought the
story, I
lock
have
was shut, but I wasn't there. I saw him from down.
heard. Climbing the pipe,
So,
ना?
Yeah, I climbed
Super
the pipe
hard
और
to
बिल्डिंग
say.
5 माले चढ़ के चला गया. मेरे को बिल्डिंग पर चढ़ने का बहुत शौक
नीचे
है.
का. But actually, हाँ.
He's done this in a hotel
बंद था.
also.
हम
In a
मॉरिशस
hotel
में
में
थे.
yeah,
And
अलीबाग
he was coming up
Mauritius.
to see
Mauritius.
me.
हाँ.
और मैं पार्टी करके आ रहा था. And I'm seeing some man climbing up the pipe.
This is where?
And Mauritius.
Mauritius.
And
I
मैं
like
बोला मेरे
climbing
दोस्त
buildings.
को,
So much fun, no?
मेरे दोस्त को बोला ये सुपर नहीं हो सकता है. एक आदमी क्लाइंब कर रहा है.
So I climbed. I said, hi, कैसा मेरे भाई? So yeah,
But why climb?
steps are boring.
Steps are boring. So you usually climb when you.
I like the
climbs
thrill
everything.
at 2:33 in the night to climb buildings. It's peaceful. Nobody's looking. Nobody's gonna call out and make you lose your concentration. It's a nice thrill in life. So I love climbing buildings. I've climbed up to 9
a
floors
free
so far.
climber.
Free climber.
3 माला तो मैंने देखा है.
हाँ.
9 तक पहुंचा हूँ मैं.
मतलब मेरे
But it's been
सामने
about 10
3
years since I climbed buildings. Do I still like? We'll hold hands and sing a song. Hold hands. Go.
अरे नहीं नहीं नहीं.
One song.
No, not
Go on, go on.
no, no, no.
Let's do
I
it. It's
know
a
what
Raj
song
Kapoor
you-
song.
I
Raj
know
Kapoor
what
song.
I know गंदी वाला है. ये बहुत गंदा वाला है. नहीं,
No, I'm the host. Go, three of you just hold hands.
नहीं मैं
No, no, you have to hold hands and sing with us.
Okay, okay.
Hold
If
hands
we are
मतलब-
implicated, you are implicated with
ये
us.
hold hands क्या मतलब पूजा थोड़ी करेगी ऐसे हाथ पकड़ के. He's saying तो it all comes to us.
ये वो वाला गाना नहीं. मुझे अब तक याद है मैं ट्रायल की शूटिंग कर रहा था एंड फर्स्ट जब मैं शूट काजल मैम है मैं मिला उनको मिलाया है एंड सडनली आई डोंट नो व्हाई ही डज दैट टू चिल द एटमॉस्फेयर. इसने एक
I had
गाली
everybody
वाली-
hold hands and we sang
एक
all
गाली
sang a
वाली
song.
गंदी शायरी गाने स्टार्ट किया है ना मतलब गालियों के साथ.
बस गन तेरे दिमाग में है. It is शायरी.
गाली है.
चिरकिन का नाम सुना है कभी?
नहीं सुनना है वो यहाँ
One of the greatest poets ever. चिरकिन शायरी सुनी है आपने? Chirkin was a poet who wrote love poems, right? Nobody loved those love poems. They were shit. So he decided, screw this shit. I'm going to write poems with shit in it and sex in it. So he wrote poetries where everything translated to मैं तुझसे बहुत प्यार करता हूँ, पैमाने की तरह types all the shit, and पैखाने it would end in shit and sex. He became a super hit. So every Holi, Chirkin Shari was played out for the longest time. So when people talk about AIBs and stuff of the world, कि you know क्या है anti-culture, it was a joke because India is a land where, sorry, we have segued into very serious discussions,
Sex.
but sex and shit. But fact
Shit
is
का
this,
मालूम नहीं, sex, yes.
Sex is very important. But Chirkin is part of our culture. And not many people are aware of Chirkin, the great poet.
Chirkin.
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 Like the literary legend Dada Konke
Shakespeare.
was one.
दादा कौन क्या आगे की छोड़ पीछे की सोच हम दो हरामी दो चलती गाड़ी में बंदर का खून
अंधेरी
टाइप्स
अंधेरी रात में दिया तेरे
अंधेरी
हाथ
रात
में
में।
is a film by Dada Konke.
You haven't seen it obviously.
No, I haven't seen it.
Heard
But
of
you
it?
I've heard of it,
but
yeah.
you must have enacted this in one charades ka game somewhere.
Ha ha ha. Of
somewhere.
course, of course,
see.
of course.
Exactly. But no one
But the
knows,
worst-
no one's watched the film. Everyone
But the hardest
enacted
film,
it.
which I am really surprised and astonished by, is Kriti Karbanda. I gave her Bhediyon Ka Samuh to enact. She did Bhediyon Ka Samuh, and my second AD got it right. But I've seen most people can't get Bhediyon Ka Samuh. It's the toughest film to get in a dumb charade, by the way.
What do you guys think? Which is the toughest film to enact?
Toughest film to enact.
In a dumb charades
अरे
game?
बाप रे.
I spit on a grave.
हाँ मतलब या ग्रेव कैसे करोगे?
Grave, हाँ.
मतलब कबर हो
Grave
सकता है, हो
नहीं, grave
सकता
भी
है.
हो सकता है आराम से.
ग्रेव हो सकता है. मतलब
चिड़ियों का समूह एक्चुअली डिफिकल्ट.
it depends on who's in
चिड़ियों
the
नहीं
film.
भेड़ियों का समूह.
Oh my god.
ना चिड़ियों का समूह ब्रो.
Which school?
भाई चिड़िया नहीं बस.
Which school?
तेरे दिमाग में वो बर्ड चलेंगे भाई वो बर्ड चलेंगे. ये भेड़ी है.
No, no. Which school you went to?
चिड़ियों का समूह.
Which school man?
चिड़ियों का समूह.
No, which school? You.
सेवेंथ के बाद कहाँ पढ़ रहे थे तुम? हाँ.
Saint Anthony's High
No
School.
wonder.
Which school did you go
They
to,
were
bro?
reading English right to left.
Saint Thomas Academy baby.
Oh, you all and you?
English also he was reading right to left.
I want to talk about
Mandarine.
filmmaking overall because we have an actor, a director, and a writer. I want to talk
And
about
director
And
and actor.
Producer and actor.
very specifically. I want to talk about writing to him.
Only.
हाँ.
बाकी सब खड्डे में चला गया.
Today
अभी
you
के
are a
लिए.
writer.
Very specific.
सुबह तक shoot कर रहा था
Very
मैं.
specifically to Lutere, sir. Very specific to Lutere. I want to talk
हाँ तो
about.
डायरेक्ट किया ना मैंने. सारा BTS मैंने डायरेक्ट किया है.
अपने इमोशंस को डायरेक्ट किया इन्होंने दूसरी दिशा
मैंने
में.
डायरेक्टेड माय सेल्फ टू साउथ अफ्रीका टू
बहुत
गिव हिम अ
काम
हग एंड कम बैक
South
बैक टू
Africa में
इंडिया.
बहुत काम किया.
बहुत काम किया है.
मुझे अब तक याद है वीडियो कॉल किया इन लोगों ने प्रोड्यूसर से शैलेश एंड सुपन से पीछे भाग रहा था. मुझे पता नहीं क्या लिया था इसने. आई कुड ओनली सी हिम रनिंग बिहाइंड.
Yeah. I remember the first day he came, he was like, wow, what a set, shit, photo, Jay, aja.
बाबा डा सी यू.
And then he just like, I turned around and he was already on the other side of the ship.
सुपन ने रेड बुल पी लिया था उस दिन.
मैं
No,
Red
it
Bull-
was-
मैं बोल नहीं रहा.
Red Bull पीता नहीं हूँ.
No, it was a long flight.
मैं रेड बुल बोल
It
रहा
was a long
लॉन्ग
flight.
फ्लाइट 17 hours or 16 hours.
Yeah, man.
16 घंटे की
It's like
फ्लाइट
a 16,
बकवास.
17-hour flight, man. What
But
do you
actually-
do?
Talk about how do you like how did it all come across? The first starting point of the show. I
The
remember, there was like 3.5 years back. Then did you sort of start
So I
conceptualizing it?
came on 3.5 years ago, but I think he should start because they started.
yeah,
they
we started
a
writing-
year and a half before I came on board.
We wrote the Bible and the episodes of the show for over a year and a half or so during COVID itself. I think I got COVID twice while writing it. Vishal got COVID twice while writing it. Shailesh unfortunately did not, but anyway. हो जाना
He was
चाहिए
giving
पर उसको.
COVID.
Unfortunately did not.
It just hit me. I said, "You unfortunately did not."
So yeah, and then Hansel and Jay came on board, and we continued writing, and then we started shooting, and it was one of the best journeys of our life. The idea was that how much can we push it, how ambitious can we be, and how much can we achieve with this. Also, whether it was fighting for language, the Somali speaking Somali instead of my Chirabab Bora, my Bob Christo, not happening on set, which is a big challenge because it is technically a Hindi show. And also seeing both sides of the coin, which is a much interesting world to explore than just the Indian,
Right.
side. And staying away, I mean, one thing we were aware of from the beginning when we started writing it itself was that there'll be comparisons कि वो Captain Phillips है. And I think, unfortunately, and this is especially in the case of whether it's Hindi films or series, we have a habit of pulling down everybody without even giving it a chance. Lutere has nothing, even remotely, to do with Captain Phillips or anything
in fact,
ever
in fact,
made.
जब पायरेट्स था नाम लोग मुझे बोल रहे थे कैप्टन पायरेट्स तो करेबियन जैसा है.
But bottom line is this, that why can't we be original? First you scream for originality, then you get something original,
No,
then
but
you
it
start
is-
comparing. Oh wait,
But
aisa
this-
aisa hai.
but you
That's
know-
not being smart, man.
But this stems from the cesspool of mediocrity that we have only propagated.
Which
as
is
an industry.
unfortunate. Like when you watch a Tamil show or a film or a Malayalam film or show, you or Telugu film or show, you don't start connecting dots. Acha shayad hai. You give it a chance. Give it a chance. See how it works. And if it's working, it's original. Then speak.
Yeah.
So instead of judging prior and this whole thing of everybody wanting to do first finger first, कि अपना रिव्यू डालना है ये उसके चक्कर में आई थिंक वो भेड़ चाल के चक्कर में वी हैव रीच्ड अ स्टेज वेयर वी आर पुलिंग our own, you know, people down instead of giving it a chance because another this is the pop culture we live in. This is a pop culture. We all products of it, and if we don't foster it, it won't be a healthy atmosphere. But anyway, besides that, I mean, honestly, for me personally, with Hansal and Jay coming on board, it was a homecoming. We have known each other for the longest time, and it was a big emotional moment for me personally because for me Jay is not like my brother. He's my brother. I mean, we have grown up together. Although I've been going backwards, but anyway,
Benjamin Button.
Benjamin Button. But it's his debut, and how amazing is that? So it was a very beautiful experience and journey in that sense. That he is my mentor's son. I'm one of my closest friend's son. He is my brother in that sense, and he's making his debut. That we all galvanized and stood around him. That देखो क्या चाहिए करता जा.
But I want to come to what you mentioned about thinking of original script, and then essentially the comparison happens, and then you spoke about it being a cesspool of mediocrity where everybody just like, hey, listen, ये हमने बना दिया है, हम सोच रहे ये original है, but then people again outside of the media world they start comparing, they start reviewing, they're like, hey, this is Captain Phillips, so this is Pirates of the
इसमें क्या
Caribbean,
होता है ना
like you
कि
mentioned.
actually इसमें गलती see it goes much deeper than it's not that simple. See what happens is when you are pitching to people that are not necessarily filmmakers or readers like we are, you have to give them examples of something they might have watched to understand what actually our vision is.
Which happens in Hollywood also, where the logline
You
says
give
this
references.
is.
Give me-
this
give
is
me
a-
reference.
Give me like a
script
Bollywood
clicking
reference here.
Okay, so see, like you give a mood board, right?
Okay.
You give mood boards, you make mood boards for advertising and all of that stuff, and you get references from different films and different products, and referencing is something that was started for filmmakers to make executives sitting in studios understand what this is eventually
In fact,
going to
Funny
look
came
like.
from advertising because
It is
those
not
people are
the
totally
problem.
unrelated to media.
Because they're not creators like us. So, and understandably so, but these methods were only made to make these people understand what it is that we are trying to achieve. Unfortunately, हमने उस चीज को ही स्क्रिप्ट बना लिया है. तो क्या हो जाता है ना कि now unless it looks like the mood board you submitted, no one is happy with it. The
Okay.
problem is that there is the sense of originality needs acceptance more than just it's not looking like what you told us it would look like. It will never look like that. It shouldn't look like that. You need to learn to accept and understand that what everyone's trying to do is different, and move on and try and embrace the difference.
So you're saying it shouldn't look like that while you go on the floor, is what you're saying?
It shouldn't look like that when you're writing.
Okay.
It shouldn't sound like it when you're writing. It shouldn't sound like it when you're reading it. It shouldn't. I mean, see, inspiration is one thing. Plagiarizing is another. Everyone's inspired by something.
And
or
we
the
have
other.
been through that era.
Yeah.
I've been part of it. I have done The Rock as Qayamat, which was a super hit film. I used to be at one point of call who you see in a lot of films, call him. Till a point where I was trying to push my original scripts because I began writing an original script, Chhal, for Hansal. And that era finally came down to us doing original stuff. Today, even if you want to adapt something, you're buying rights and doing it. There's a way about
There's
it.
a way to go about it.
So that world has completely changed.
There's a method now. Earlier there was no method. There was no also no one took accountability for plagiarizing or lifting or whatever.
People used to take pride in it,
Remaking.
in fact. They used to take pride in it at that point
You
of
should
time.
take pride. देखो मैंने ये film
ये तोड़ा है.
ये बनाया मैंने.
ये तोड़ा
इस
तोड़ा
film
कुछ नहीं है.
का-
You
इस
cracked
film को-
this. And fact is, some of our best films are technically unauthorized remakes. There are some of the biggest sacred cows are all remakes, and we can name them or not name them. Doesn't matter.
Go
but
for
they're great
it.
films. No, why? I mean, सबको पता है हाँ.
Carry on.
आनंद से लेके शोले सब रीमेक है यार. Anand is a Kurosawa film.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh.
Sachin Pomik told me the story.
Really?
They would go to film festivals. So
Oh,
yeah.
I had no idea.
And
Shit,
Sholay?
You just ruined Anand for me.
Sholay? Seven Samurai, which became Magnificent Seven, which became Sholay?
It was
So-
inspired. It was inspired.
No, but
inspired.
but there is a significant
No, see, there's an
amount.
evolution. See,
See
these
again,
films are,
evolution
of
है
course,
तोड़ा
these
है हम
films
लोगों
are-
ने बैठ के चेंज
Correct.
किया है बट
Of
these
course.
and in fact
आप
funny part
adapt
is
करते हैं.
शोले के साथ एक और
हाँ.
फिल्म थी काला सोना if you remember
Yeah.
खोटे सिक्के sorry they all came together they were all that time westerns were the thing
Yeah.
वहाँ No Name trilogy बन रही थी Magnificent Seven बन रहा था Magnificent Seven is a remake of Seven Samurai the West was taking from Japan
Yeah.
so it was a confluence happening non-stop the No Name the Man with the No Name trilogy actually comes in from Yojimbo Kurosawa's Yojimbo is a fistful of dollars same story Man with
Yeah,
No Name goes in a
actually,
town plays two gangs with each other and makes them fight to fight a revenge. That's Yojimbo. Yojimbo is a fistful of dollars. That's where the first Man with No Name trilogy came. See, again, if you step back in history and you start examining किधर से क्या हो रहा था, तब दुनिया अलग थी. People would travel, they would discuss differently, and it was not seen as a bad thing. It became a bad thing later, where you stopped giving people credit or making it the de facto thing कि इसको
Yeah.
तोड़ना है. You stopped giving originality any thought. You stopped adapting things. You started remaking things.
Yeah.
Then we came in a
How
cesspool.
okay
That
are you
changed
guys
evolved
with
again.
that? How
With what?
okay are you guys with the adaptation or with the inspiration part that you know something has worked somewhere in the world and you want to make something similar in this country? Do you think do we leave no scope for
See, an
originality in that case?
adaptation and inspiration are two very different things. An adaptation is like literally adapting it just
Right.
into our setting.
Right.
For that, you need to, you should get the rights. You should credit
Number
the
one.
people.
And secondly,
You should
localize it.
credit, yeah,
Like
localize
Rahan
it.
Naidu that I'm directing right now is Ray Donovan. But if you see Ray Donovan, it's
Yeah.
a very different world with what you see Rahan Naidu. They're two independent shows you can watch
Exactly.
separately. I had the trial with Kajol is Good Wife. Similarly, I've done Lutere. Or I have Pan Prazarda or Sultan of Delhi, which is a book adaptation. So it's a different world and it's a very legit world. A lot of English films that you see, that you love, are adaptations of a
But
French film, for
inspiration,
example, or
something
books.
If you get inspired by a script or a film, that's absolutely fine. You know, it touches your heart.
Give it
your
the
mind.
money, give it the respect, take the license, do what you want. Adapt it differently. Nobody's doing scene by scene, frame by frame adaptation नहीं होते. But sometimes you like a story, you think, यह story मैं इसके साथ ये कर सकता हूँ. आप क्या कहना चाहते हैं? That's the key, right? What can I do with this story? What can you bring to it?
Yeah.
It's not just taking an actor, let me replace the actor. That's how it works.
I mean, there are some great films, right? Examples were like, there are great films that were written also by like authors. You know, like Shawshank Redemption is written by Stephen King. The Green Mile is written by Stephen King. You
And
have
so well converted to a screenplay by Frank Darabont.
Rear
who put
Window.
together films.
Rear Window by Alfred Hitchcock is Stephen King.
No,
not
Rear
Stephen
Window
King.
नहीं.
Not Rear Window is not Stephen.
That's Alfred Hitchcock, छोड़ दे, हाँ.
No. Rear
Misery
Window
is Stephen King.
Misery is Stephen King. No, Rear Window also. Forgot.
Rear Window is a book. It's not. It's a screenplay.
It's a
Original
screenplay.
yeah.
Okay.
But like I want to talk about like even in terms of original content. Do you think anything is original in that case?
Of course.
Of course there are. Yeah. I mean, see.
Everything is inspired. Everything
Everything-
original. Go back to
see,
Bible and Mahabharata. सब
yeah.
खत्म हो गया. फिर
No, and also see, everything is inspired either by your experiences or by someone else's experiences. So, you know, if like Scam, for example, when we were making Scam season 1, I know a lot of the research, at least while we were making the show for Hansal sir and me, but a lot of that came from, you know, Hansal sir growing up during those years, you know, in Mumbai. My grandfather being from that time also and being very active in this industry, all of that came from, you know, it came from understanding all of this and living that world and knowing these people personally. So everything is inspired by someone you know. Like ये मेरा चाचा मालूम है उसके वो ऐसे बात करता था, तो आप उसको अडेप्ट कर लेते हो. You know, everyone comes from something. Like, you know, like say Vikrant's character in Lutere is like this crazy hothead mad dude, is someone I would have liked to be someday.
That's why you sent to Pune.
Before he becomes that.
I mean, yeah, he's just like unabashed, like unapologetic. He's nasty, he's crazy, he's got everything. I mean, no one wants to be him, but everyone does secretly.
What is going wrong with the entire inspiration fiasco?
What inspiration
In the sense that, say for example, if you get inspired by something and you make it
Nothing wrong
in
with
the
being
internet,
There's absolutely nothing wrong with being inspired. In fact, I mean, if you're inspired by something, means you've lived more.
no, but Indian media matlab in the sense that OTT TV or films of sorts, when you take inspiration from stuff, is it looked down कि वो तो copy कर दिया है, ऐसा कुछ है?
यार देखो ये
Because I'm
see,
sure that there are
there
notions.
are going to be people who say that, you know, and you can't stop them. I mean, it's उनको अगर ऐसा लगता है कि जैसे मुझे याद है कि
No, how does it make you feel as a filmmaker?
I don't really care.
Yeah.
Okay.
Honestly,
and
as
also
long
like Amit
I
bhai
have
as an
made what
actor-
I want to. I
the-
believe in what I've made.
Okay.
We know we made Lutere. We made Lutere with a very clear thing that we wanted to make something different. We wanted to try and give something new to this audience, to the landscape, and offer something that is just different from the normal.
I've
And
seen
I-
a lot of shows. I'm a watcher. I've seen a lot of shows. I haven't seen something like
liver.
Lutere on Indian television. I haven't. It's not. It's very international like that. It's a bilingual. Actually, a bilingual show. First bilingual on Hotstar. I remember जब पता चला था थोड़ा हिंदी डालने वाले थे. Like there was a point where the African
So
actors
there was a
was
time,
talking
yeah.
Hindi dub करके. मैं सोचा ये show गया. मतलब it's because it's not that kind of show. And then जब पता चला जब रुक गया. And I was very happy because it's the first bilingual.
I mean, it's not an Indian show. You know, everyone's trying to make something international.
Right.
You know, when we look at things that are supposed to be universal and we are trying to make something that is for everybody, unfortunately, everybody does not just mean one country. Everybody means everybody, no? And we have, I mean, why do we shy away from like, this entire podcast is in English. हम हिंदी में क्यों बात नहीं कर रहे?
कर सकते हैं, बिल्कुल
कर सकते हैं ना, लेकिन इंग्लिश में कर रहे हैं. हम सब इंग्लिश मीडियम स्कूल में पढ़े हैं, तो है यार, इंग्लिश जानते हैं हम सब, तो क्यों नहीं बात करें? क्या प्रॉब्लम है? हमें क्यों लगता है कि लोगों को हिंदी इंग्लिश समझ में नहीं आएगी? सब समझते हैं यार. हम प्रेडोमिनेंटली वहीं से तो आए. वी ओनली गेन वी आर सच अ यंग कंट्री. मोस्ट ऑफ अस स्पीक इंग्लिश, एंड इवन इफ वी डोंट स्पीक इट, वी डू अंडरस्टैंड इट. Everyone's using a smartphone.
And thank you and sorry are Hindi words now.
Huh?
And thank you and sorry are Hindi words. Especially sorry. अंग्रेज चले गए, सॉरी छोड़ गए, सुना होगा बचपन में.
But yeah, I think so. So there's no absolutely nothing wrong with the entire inspiration or
Not at
entire adaptation. Of course, is a
You're
different
inspired
story.
by
Get
paintings, by
inspired.
poetry, by
No,
books.
I'm not.
by
I'm not saying.
people.
I'm not saying problem in the sense that I'm saying when people say, "Oh, ये तो copy कर लिया." Where is the originality?
मेरा प्रॉब्लम वही है ना कि जब कोई बोलता है कि कॉपी कर लिया, भाई
हाँ.
मेरे, हैव यू इस वी आर अ आर्मचेयर कल्चर where recently KL Rahul is being screamed at by the team owner who can't walk from the stadium one end to the other, where everybody is armchair cricket. सब घरे बैठ के बोलते हैं अबे यार ऐसा शॉट बनना था, वैसा भरना था. बॉस तुम आधा घंटा वो फील्ड में खड़े होके सिर्फ चल के दिखा दो मेरे को, मैं बात बदल दूंगा.
दो रन
कॉपी
मार
कर
के
दिया,
दिखाई.
क्या कॉपी कर दिया? फर्स्टली even when something is adapted or copied, the writing process still takes 6 months. Then there are 20 other stakeholders. Everybody is an input. Then the damn thing is made. It takes a process. There's no such thing as copy कर दिया. बैठ के बोलना बहुत आसान है कि
मतलब
copy
बनते
कर
बनते
दिया.
सब ओरिजिनली हो जाता है.
I'm sure. So I want, which is why like I wanted to start off with the entire this conversation is because when we talk about filmmaking in general, how does the writing process take? How does the direction happen? And how does eventually an actor come into the picture and see what happens? I want to talk about Lutere.
I just
with
want to
specific-
add and jump to Lutere after that is that also we have this white man syndrome. When Tarantino will reference every single shot of his, every single character of his, and every single dialogue of his, including the music pieces on it, which are completely referenced. Oh my God, Tarantino's love letter to cinema, right? We all salivate. I love his work, but that's his love letter. But when it's a brown person doing it, suddenly it's अबे यार मतलब ये copycat. क्यों भाई? हमें प्यार नहीं आता. हम लव लेटर नहीं कर सकते स्क्रीन पे. हमने क्या पाप किया?
True.
हर चीज
Everything
कॉपी
we do
क्यों
is
है?
a- it's a homage.
टेरेंटिनो भी कॉपी करे ना.
But why
वहाँ
do-
होमाज है, यहाँ कॉपी है. क्या तो मतलब अक्कल तो लगाओ, सोचो
हाँ,
तो.
तो वो क्यों है डिफरेंस यहाँ?
गोरे
And he's
तो
also,
smart
he's
है.
गोरे
also,
लोगों का
but he's
fascination
also
है.
gone on
गोरे का
record and said
fascination है.
every
हाँ,
film
होता है,
is,
yeah.
is lifted.
होता है ना थोड़ा.
हाँ, but is it only fascinating?
मतलब Reservoir Dogs entire story is City on Fire, right?
Yeah. City on Fire. I think
Same
so,
thing, same drama, same
Yeah.
thing. I mean, I'm just saying, he is a great artist. But great artists being inspired by or using something is not a bad thing.
Because he's
it's
been
how you
inspired
use
by
it.
that film,
Every
yeah.
paintings reference karte hai. A DOP seeing a painting and saying मैं ये reference करूँगा, Caravaggio देख के मेरे को lighting reference ये करना है, तो क्या वो DOP खराब हो गया काम उसका? नहीं ना?
Yeah.
We
करना
are
तो उसी
all
को है ना।
growing, watching other art.
Yeah.
So where are we getting with this conversation? What is it that we're
जिए और जीने दो,
G or जीने दो.
और पियो और पीने दो.
No, so I
और
think
खाओ
where
खाने
I
दो.
think where this also is stemming from is the fact that I'll tell you. So the first time I saw the trailer, the big full trailer of Lutere that was coming out, my first reaction was, लोग ये trailer देख के बोलने वाले Captain Phillips है.
Because all you had was
Because
this
you had
and the ship.
because you had the hijacking sequence there.
And I remember, sorry to cut you,
हाँ.
and I remember like आपने कोई तो इंटरव्यू में बोला था कि 1.5 मिनट का ट्रेलर देख के तुम बोल रहे हो कि 6 घंटे का शो इज लाइक कैप्टन
हाँ,
फिलिप्स.
मतलब आप 1.5 मिनट के ट्रेलर में समझ गए कि 6 घंटे का शो कैसे है? तो यही तो अजीब बात है ना कि हम लोग इतने बिगड़ गए ये सोच के कि मतलब हम कुछ ओरिजिनल बना ही नहीं सकते कि आपने देखने से पहले ही उसे कॉपी बना लिया ना हो अभी
And now everybody's
Tom Hanks-
actors saying, oh,
नहीं,
what a great show, it's
नहीं,
totally
अभी-
original. तब 2 मिनट की होता है ना मेरा.
एग्जैक्टली. और पॉल ग्रीनग्रास और टॉम हैंक्स ने थोड़ी ना मतलब ट्रेडमार्क लेके रखा है सोमालियन पायरेसी का. सोमालियन पायरेसी शिप ऐसी हाईजैक होती है यार, मैं क्या अलग करूँ इसमें, मतलब मैं क्या अलग करूँ, ऐसी हाईजैक होती है शिप.
और हमारी कहानी विक्रांत की है.
और
ये तो
हमारी
collateral
कहानी
damage है.
सोमालिया में है. अब मतलब कैप्टन फिलिप्स is a great film. And there's no doubt, all of us have watched it in the theater when it came out here, and a lot of people have. And Tom Hanks is a very loved actor. Paul Greengrass is a great filmmaker, But yeah, I mean, are these inspirations? Sure, why not? I mean, we also want to try and do something that good, that great. We aspire to be that good, But and this is our effort at it. But we didn't want to just, the script they had written is not restricted only to the ship. It's not a film, it's a show. There's there are 6 different tracks simultaneously running, parallelly running, for 6.5 hours. There's so much more to offer. You just need to watch it.
I want to talk about the entire filmmaking process right from the scratch, right from like writing it.
Right from this.
How much time does
Right
it
from
take
this.
to write it? How much? What's the first draft like? And then
the first draft is the worst.
the direction. Yeah, of course. Please, let's talk about the first
Yeah, the
draft of the
vomit
show.
draft, what we
My
call it.
process is different. I put pen to paper when I'm a bit clear in my head.
He is
So
different.
I basically give myself unrestricted deadlines. You meet me,
Yeah.
I'll discuss an idea with you, and I'll tell you I'll give it to you in 2 weeks, which is bizarre. Then for 10 days, I will do nothing.
How much time does it take? How did it take for you to write?
I've written scripts within 24 hours to a week to 10 days to 20 days.
Yeah, he's insanely fast. I don't know how he does it.
For
It
Lutere?
takes me months.
Lutere was a different process altogether because it's
It's
a
also a
series
show.
number 1.
It's a show.
So writing the Bible, you first write the Bible, you sketch out the beats, right? So those are done over 2-3 weeks. An episode takes about 10 to 12 days per se to sketch out and stuff, and whatever you're doing here affects, every beat affects what's happening ahead. So sorry, series works differently. But again, I think I take more time in the Bible than the actual screenplay because the beats are so self-defined that I'd rather take time on those beats. For me, screenplay is something that sometimes when you're writing it,
Yeah.
you lose sense and track of time, and some ideas just come from ether. They're not
When
thought
do you
of.
know when to break after the first episode and then move on to the next episode? And when do you know कि यार ये episode मेरे को 55 मिनट का ही रखना है, मेरे को 40 मिनट का ही रखना है, मेरे को 35 मिनट का रखना है? How do you
You
like?
have your beats in
Is
place,
there
so you
a-
know where you are starting and ending number 1. Also, somewhere in your head, you reach an orgasm point and you know कि you're done.
So when you see the
नहीं,
draft,
राइटिंग के बाद देखो, राइटिंग एक लोग सोचते हैं कि राइटिंग एक प्रोसेस है जो शूट शुरू होते खत्म हो जाता है, बट व्हाट पीपल डोंट रियलाइज इज द film is written in like 3 different stages. It's written earlier, then it's rewritten when you are shooting, when you
Then
are prepping.
edit room में अलग से
actually 4
लिखते हो.
times. It's rewritten when you are prepping because you realize कि the location is like this, it's like that.
Then you
So you
tweak.
rewrite it. You start tweaking the script again, matching your locations, matching the actors you get on board, to see their energy, to
And
see
then
how
on
they'll.
set, magic happens. An
Then
actor
you
just
go
give
on
you
set.
something. And like,
Yeah.
oh, scene घुमा दिया.
Then you go on set and then you're like, yeah, this isn't working. So, chalo, let's think of something else. Let's write something else for this scene. दिस विल मे बी साउंड बेटर. फिर वो होता है ना कि आपने एक चीज़ अगर बड़ा चेंज कर लिया ना इन अ शो, अनलाइक अ फिल्म, इज दैट इट्स लाइक अ डेक ऑफ कार्ड्स, इट्स अ पैक ऑफ फॉलिंग कार्ड्स. बिकॉज आपने एक चीज़ चेंज कर लिया ना, आगे की सारी चीज़ें हिल जाती है, वो पूरा कैरेक्टर का ग्राफ ही चेंज हो जाता है. सो देन वॉट यू आर इन एसेंशियली डूइंग इज री राइटिंग द एंटायर थिंग अगेन.
सुभाष घई said it's best. तार से तार मिला.
So yeah, and then
But-
your
but-
editing is rewriting. It's like, this scene's not working. Okay, you remove it, then you try and
But
fix it.
editors
you
are not
change.
screenplay writers.
But they're not screenplay writers.
They're
yeah.
editors. That's their job.
But editors know that.
So when
you know.
editors say that I'm a
Editors
screenplay
are-
writer, no.
Yeah, and also editing is also it's a very difficult process because it's where all your
It all
mistakes,
comes together.
all your mistakes, everything good, everything bad that you've done, na, दूध का दूध पानी का
And
पानी
you want to
हो
be a
जाता है,
good
मतलब
writer
यही
or a good director, go to the edit room and learn there.
Yeah.
The
You
best
ha-
place
it's
to
the
learn
only place to
writing and
understand what you've
directing
done.
is edit room.
You will see all your mistakes, you'll see all your flaws, everything.
You'll see all the fat in a scene, you'll see the graph of a scene, the drama of a scene, all exposed there.
The truth.
And understand it there.
It's the truth.
So I learned everything as a writer while I was watching the edits of my films, which I would write and learn from that because it's a great process to write and see,
It
write
also
and see.
But
teaches
write.
you
on
how to
this
write.
point, tell me something.
Yeah, it helps because it
I
helps
want
you.
to ask you something. कि मुझे कोई बता रहा था recently, the show अगर बनता है तो 50% is writing, 30% is editing and 20% is on the set. ये सही
मतलब ये बड़ा generalization है. There's a lot of things. Weather can also factor into performance.
we can give a look.
I remember the अच्छा shit गाली निकला.
तो क्या हुआ?
मैं स्टंट कर रहा था, ये लोग ने मुझे 70-80 के स्पीड में 3-4 मीटर की रोड में गाड़ियाँ चलाया मुझसे. मुझे बोले कि स्टंट वाला यू ड्राइविंग बेटर देन द स्टंट गाय. And then later on I got to know the stunt guy didn't enter in because he was white and he got scared away. Remember that?
Yeah.
Yeah. Was
Dude,
he?
it was, I mean, we were filming in these streets, and I remember he was driving this one. If you finish watching the show, you will know this scene. That
But currently you don't.
so in
एडिटर
one
साहब
of
को
the-
बोलेंगे ये वाला पार्ट काट
in
दे.
one of the episodes.
ये कटेगा तो हमारा भी कटेगा.
नहीं
उसका
नहीं
कटेगा बेचारे का.
नहीं नहीं नहीं.
So there's a sequence where he has a chase sequence through the slums, and I was in the car in the back seat, and मेरे पीछे was the sound designer with his machine. मैं ऐसे लिया, and the camera is rigged on him, and he's driving at like 40-50 in these. यार इतने नैरो रोड्स हैं, मतलब उसमें 50-60 की स्पीड में.
ज़्यादा था, उससे ज़्यादा था.
हाँ, so 60
Miles
में
था
भी.
वो.
हाँ, नहीं
किलोमीटर ही था ना.
So 60.
Okay. लग रहा था माइल से.
But 60 is really fast. His math is really bad. Yeah, it's right.
Divided by 2.
No, but I have to say, Amir gets a nice
no, it's
dignity to the
multiplied
scenes
by
he
half.
does.
Yeah, no,
So
but there
well,
is-
this character is so dignified. That's all the gravitas
No,
that he
and also
provides.
so these scenes, what happened is the car he was driving was a car that we had been using for those 6 months, और हमने रगड़ ली थी उस गाड़ी को. Unfortunately, ये जो chase sequence था ना, this was towards the end of the shoot. So by then, no, this car was rogered. So unfortunately,
ये अर्जुन
he
के
was
रथ की तरह
driving-
थी.
He was driving that rogered car,
पता है?
and we
नहीं
were
पता है.
going through
पता है,
these
पता है.
slums, and there was this part where he had to take a turn, and the brake stopped working.
Oh, last day हुआ था वो. I rammed into a hut. मैं बोला मरे कोई तो मरा.
मतलब फिर भाई, the car rammed inside a house.
about it.
I was like,
नहीं, घर में घुस
It was
गया
more
भाई
like,
गाड़ी घर में घुस गई किसी के. और उधर बैक सीट में मैं बैठा हूँ, मैंने बोला व्हाट हैपेंड, और एक तो इधर का फीड भी चला गया बिकॉज ऑफ द इम्पैक्ट. I was like, I didn't even know where we were. I couldn't
And
even
that
see
is
the
a
monitor
true
anymore.
story
Wasn't
why the
there
production
any-
manager was kept behind for 6
No,
months.
luckily,
There's
so,
no damage of like
no, so there was small damage to the property, which we fixed. But the thing is, luckily, our production had removed everyone from the houses because we were filming action sequences there.
But you told
So
them
there
that's
was
the
no one
reason
in the
the
house.
production guy was kept behind for 6 months.
Huh? Maybe.
if you hoped.
No, but a lot of stuff happened. I mean, so you know what's crazy is that Khayelitsha is a place where लोगों ने वहाँ shooting की है. South African filmmakers have shot there once or twice, but we shot entirely there. Like I would say 80% of our shoot was in Khayelitsha, all the land shoot. And it is not necessarily like it's not unsafe. I wouldn't call it unsafe, but you know, every area has its notorious people.
No, it is a very unsafe place.
It's
because
not-
It is
South
unsafe.
Africa,
It is
I mean, it is
unsafe.
unsafe, but you know, it's
was
as
shocked
unsafe.
we are shooting there.
Yeah, but you know, I'll tell
But
you something.
also one thing, the kind of
there are
vibe
places
these
in,
guys gave
there are places in
over
our
there.
country also that are unsafe.
No, but
नहीं, but वहाँ, as
nothing
Amir is saying,
really
वहाँ
happened.
factions हैं.
There are factions,
Just because
there are
he's
bad people.
come back alive with his arms and legs, it was a dangerous.
the kind of vibe these guys
The
gave.
production guys were keeping
अच्छा,
them
tell you what
apart.
happened, मैं डरा हुआ था, मैं आधे दिन गाड़ी से बाहर नहीं निकला, मेरे आसपास के लोग एक्टर्स जो
pretty boy, no,
थे,
that's why.
हैरी
Now you
और ये
know why
सब
you
जो
can't
अलीगढ़
decide
से हैं यहाँ वहाँ से, ये जाके पान बीड़ी स्टोर से सिगरेट ले रहे. So I think the kind of vibe these guys gave them, they were very chilled. Otherwise, it's a very unsafe place. To
That's why pan is good for health.
Why would you pick a location as such
Because
where
it's, yeah, you know, you're recreating something.
Somalia.
Like, you're trying to recreate Somalia. But again, this is not the Mogadishu side of Somalia. See, Mogadishu is still a city. It's a proper city. It has, you know, roads. Unlike, हाँ, आपने Black Hawk Down देखा है. अब Black Hawk Down में जो सोमालिया एक मोगादिशु को representation दिया था ना, I remember reading that the people of Somalia were actually upset about the way they were represented and shown in that film. And I remember reading about it, and that was one thing I was very sure I did not want to do.
Yeah, you give a
I
heart to
wasn't,
them.
yeah,
You
I
give-
was
you
not
give them
trying
a
to
heart.
show this like khatam, khalas,
If you see the show,
post-apocalyptic dystopian
if you see the show,
feeling. हाँ.
if he sees the show,
If
you
he
know,
sees the show.
he's given a heart to Somalia and the people there. देखोगे तो समझ में आएगा.
So yeah, I mean, you know, the films like Black Hawk Down and all show it like, you know, एकदम finished, khatam, post-apocalyptic, ऐसे
पर
downtrodden.
हमें भी तो वैसे ही दिखाते हैं ना बाहर के लोग.
हाँ, they also told us like, you know, this is how it
हमें
looks. I
कैसे
said,
दिखाते हैं? हमें
dude,
गरीब
then
और स्लम ही दिखाते हैं.
but was it like what else went wrong, or what else was like a fun schedule for you guys where
Everything was wrong.
everything
Going
that-
right. Go wrong was wrong, and fun was when they had
देख,
COVID and sitting in the
देख,
room for
मर्फी
7
का एक
days.
जो लॉ था ना, Murphy's law. This was Murphy's example. Everything that could go wrong did go wrong.
Yeah, very.
It could be the,
The
weather,
most-
but was
dates, COVID, lockdowns, curfews,
Underworld.
you name it. Yeah, like gang wars. Just हम shooting कर रहे हैं और suddenly वहाँ gang war शुरू हो गई.
You remember you told me once
Yeah.
कि we can't go back to the same location because हमारा जो इंचार्ज था वहाँ पर ही वो shot dead. तो हम लोग जा नहीं पाए वापस.
हाँ, हमने एक कोई लोकेशन थी वहाँ पे जहाँ हमने एक सीन शूट किया था, तो वो घर अच्छा लगा था. तो हमने कहा यार ये जो दूसरा सीन है वो भी वहीं शूट करते हैं. तो अब हम वो लोकेशन में अगले दिन वापस जाना चाहते थे. तो वहाँ क्या हुआ कि हमें वहाँ ऑन द वे देयर वी फाउंड आउट दैट द ओनर ऑफ दैट हाउस in whose house we were filming was shot dead the previous night after we finished shooting there.
That scene was our homage to Kal Ho Na Ho.
So wrong. So wrong.
Yeah. Can you
But
edit
yeah,
this,
it's like
please?
really
yeah
shit.
we'll mute that particular mic.
Yeah.
जितना
Yeah, but you know it's dangerous.
questionable
See, there are-
बातें
but there are
जो
things,
निकल के आ रही है ना उस
but
mic
you
से.
know we've had
I would
instances
just
like
want
these.
to.
But we've had instances like these. We've had violent breakouts and stuff. You know, even when filming in Bombay, मुंबई में भी हमने शूटिंग किए. यार लफड़े होते हैं, हर जगह होते हैं. It's about you have to work with them. You have to get to know them. You have to be nice to them. आप उनके घर में घुस के उनको नहीं बोल सकते हो कि भाई सुन हट इधर से साइड में जा, हमारा शॉट चल रहा है.
But what are the
ऐसे
kind
नहीं
of
चलता है.
what are the kind of permits you
What permits?
in terms of shooting?
I mean,
in
so
a
you
foreign
do
land?
take permits, but
Permissions
it
तो होते
makes
हैं,
no.
हाँ.
अरे
It's
एक मिनट
kind of
परमिट से
like-
छोड़ो, हमने जो बीच के पास जो एक पूरा स्लम बनाया था, न्यूज़पेपर में आ गया that there's a slum being made, ना?
So,
ऐसा
yeah,
कुछ हुआ
so
था ना?
our
उधर के
product-
न्यूज़पेपर
yeah, it
में
was
हमारा
crazy.
सेट देखकर.
We
अच्छा
basically-
कि नया slum
नहीं,
बन
so
गया.
there
बीच के
was-
पास जब जॉगिंग कर रहे लोग, यहाँ पर एक नया स्लम
Slum
बन गया.
आ गया है, वो
दूर के
actually
अंदर.
set है.
वो
Set बन
set
गया
था,
था.
तो they thought that there were a bunch of Somalis who would come there and had started building settlements. हमने परमिशन लेके बनाया था यार, ऐसे थोड़ी मतलब हम कहीं जाके छपरा
These
बना
days
देंगे.
people are scared, right?
तो ऐसे क्या
अचानक
है क्या?
immigrants आके
मतलब-
refugees ने कुछ कर लिया.
नहीं, और अजीब बात ये थी कि वहाँ की पुलिस भी मतलब आके हमें पूछ रही है हाउ कैन यू डू दिस हियर. ऐसे भाई तुमसे ही परमिशन लेके आए हम यहाँ पे. तुम अपने मेन ऑफिस में कम्युनिकेशन तो करो एक दूसरे के साथ. हम ऐसे थोड़ी आके ऐसे घर बना देंगे बीच पे.
No, but you've taken permits and everything. So permission
course.
सब sorted है. But
But a lot
even
of security
then,
companies told us not to film in Khailicha. A lot of places.
Yeah.
When we would go and take security companies and all for lockups and stuff like that, a lot of them said, you know, if you can avoid going there, avoid it.
Remember my friend
At your
Umesh?
own risk.
At your own risk, we are not responsible.
My friend Umesh who lives
I
in
was
South
like,
Africa,
चलो
is an
देखते
Indian.
हैं क्या होता
वो
है.
मुझे दिन के 2 बार फोन करता था कि तू ठीक है because they were scared of that location. I don't know why.
I see.
We had ball.
it was see, you know,
It's the vibe we
Yeah,
gave
and
also.
maybe
It's
did
the
a lot
vibe
of
we
Is it
gave.
is it
Very
is it why?
behind,
Because
yeah.
like you
See, it's
mentioned,
poor.
the
It's-
schedule was
you
like a
also have
2.5.
to realize, see, South Africa is a country that has got independence. It's a very young country. You know, the disparity is huge between the classes, the rich and the poor. It's still a growing country. Just because Cape Town का एक हिस्सा जो है ना, जो लोखंड वाला जितना बड़ा होगा,
But क्या है
अंधेरी
ना?
वेस्ट जितना बड़ा है,
क्या है?
वो इतना सुंदर है कि सबको
क्या
लगता
है?
है वही
Cape
केप
Town
टाउन
क्या
है.
है?
When actually that is maybe like 5% of Cape Town. You know, the rest of Cape Town, this is the reality. And Khayelitsha is one of the largest slums on the planet. It has an insanely large population, and you have to understand these things. You know, these are political, these are socio-economic issues. So, yeah, being from here, you know, having places like this in our country, similar cultures, we've also been, you know, under a foreign rule, just like they have. So, as long as you're empathetic towards the struggles that they're facing and you understand it and you're able to reason with them and talk to them, I don't see anyone not understanding.
No, but when you mentioned about what's it called, Khayelitsha.
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 When you say Khayelitsha, is it you said कि आपका schedule वहाँ plan original plan 2-2.5 महीने का था, but it took
नहीं
took
तो
about
वहाँ नहीं, हमारा केप टाउन में
Overall-
भी हमारा जो शिप भी था वो भी वहीं था, केप टाउन में ही था.
But is it because of these problems that it took longer?
Yes, that is one of the factors.
Or okay.
Weather was a huge factor.
Weather वो माँ change हो जाता है दिन
The
के
weather,
4-5 weather हो जाता है.
हाँ, so it has like
सर्दी गर्मी
3
पसीना
seasons
बारिश
twice
सब
a
कुछ
day.
होता है.
अच्छा.
Like you wake up in the morning, it's bright sunlight. By the time you reach the set, it's raining. Then suddenly you're like, अच्छा,
Windy.
you're waiting for the rain to go. Suddenly इतना कोहरा है कि साला कैमरा के 5 फीट के आगे कुछ दिख नहीं रहा. Then you're like, अच्छा चलो रात को शूट, रात को इतनी विंड कि मतलब हम लाइट का स्टैंड तक खड़ा नहीं रख पा
तो
रहे.
ये कितना टाइम तक चला ये?
बहुत कुछ होता था. No, this would only last one day, and the next day it was clear again. Then we'd go shoot. So you had to take every day as it came. It was a journey. Every day was a new battle. And also, you know, we struggled a lot with COVID. Like the world had just opened up. And you know, हम केप टाउन जा रहे थे तो क्वारंटीन में रहना पड़ता था हमें. इंडिया भी वापस आ रहे थे तो we had to be in quarantine for like 7 days to 10 days before we were allowed to even go home. So this was that time. People were still not sure. Everyone had to take the vaccine. No one knew what the vaccine, whether
Now
it
we
was
all
working
know.
or not. You know.
Now we know.
Now we know
लग गए.
that was true. Yeah.
अभी तो पता है.
Or maybe not.
But
कोविशील्ड.
क्रू में कोविड हो गया.
मुझे तो लगता है हमें पानी इंजेक्ट हुआ है.
Amir, I want to talk to you about you moving on from TV to now doing OTT, and you mentioned
अरे
a
films to
couple of
TV
your-
to OTT.
Yeah.
इसका जर्नी कंप्लीट है.
Yeah. Films,
Advertising.
advertising.
सब कुछ किया है इसने.
I don't know if you remember the Mountain Dew ad. चीता भी पीता है.
That's the first time I signed an autograph.
You don't remember that ad?
Yeah, yeah, of course,
चीता
of
के
course,
पीछे
of
भाग रहा है. चीता भी पीता है. That's him.
My first autograph ever. Cheetah
That's
Bhi
him,
Peter.
dude.
That time I got a lot of TV offers, but I was doing films. And then money got over. I started doing television. And then I just wanted to secure myself. I kept doing television. And at the 11 saal mein, I did 8 shows, 3 realities, worked non-stop every single day. And because I worked so hard, that time is now I can chill and concentrate on quality work.
Do you
And my
think
friends
for
said,
an do you think for an actor to do quality work, he has to do something that he is not happy with just for the money, so that he can choose what he wants to do later on?
For an actor, I don't know, whatever works. Some people get work. Like I wanted to do films, and I did films, but unfortunately for me at that point in time, मेरे producers ना फिल्मी नहीं थे. So chemical industry के लोग थे, प्रफुल्ल सारीज के owners थे. They didn't know how to release a film and मतलब उस वक्त था कि पैसे डालना है तो उसी वक्त मिलना है. तो फिल्मों में वैसे चलता नहीं. You have to know the whole game of releasing and stuff. वो उन्हें idea नहीं था. तो फिल्में release हुई नहीं. I actually had no money left with me and I started doing television because मुझे अब तो याद है मैं जब पहले टीवी मैंने शुरू किया मैं 1 महीना सिर्फ रोया हूँ because all my friends who were doing films and stuff asked me कि टीवी क्यों कर रहा है यार. और मैं कुछ बोलता नहीं था, सिर्फ पकड़ के रोता था उनको and कुछ बोलने था नहीं. But I'll tell you one day what happened to me. Supan, it's a very funny thing. I've never told you all this. So 8-10 दिन मैं टीवी स्टार्ट कर दिया था कहानी घर घर की, बिकॉज वहाँ मेरे होर्डिंग नहीं लग रहे थे. लाइक चुपचाप करूँगा. आई डेंट रियलाइज कहानी घर घर की इज दी कहानी घर घर की सब देख लेंगे. बट माई फादर दिस कैरेक्टर वॉज प्लेड बाय विवेक मुशरन. So 10 दिन के बाद he came to my van and he said I want to talk to you about something. I like तू 8-10 दिन से जो एक्टिंग कर रहा है तो इतना ख़राब काम कर रहा था कि हम लोग सोचे कि तू मतलब ऐसे ही है, ठीक है. तो कल जो तूने जो सीन किया वो तूने अच्छा किया. अगर तू ये कर सकता है तो तू वो क्यों कर रहा था जो इतने दिन से तू कर रहा है. सो मैं तो अपना फ्रस्ट्रेशन उतारने के लिए सब बताना स्टार्ट किया. मेरी अनजान का प्रोमो, मेरे पोस्टर ऑफ हमराही, मेरा ये वो, मैं ये करना चाह रहा था. एक्चुअली आई डोंट वांट टू डू दिस, मेरा दिल ही नहीं है इसमें. 10 मिनट उसने मेरी बात सुनी एंड देन उसने मुझे बोला कि ब्रो तू मेरी फिल्म में देखी है. लाइक ऑफ कोर्स. इलू वीलू स्टार,
सौदागर का हीरो हूँ.
सौदागर का हीरो विथ मनीषा कोइराला. सेकेंड फिल्म विथ आई थिंक महेश भट्ट एंड राजकुमार संतोष. ही डिड 5-6 फिल्म्स. सो लाइक तेरी फिल्म में आने वाली थी, मेरी फिल्म में आकर चली गई. मैं इलू विलू स्टार था, तो रो रहा है कि तेरे साथ ही हो सकता था. मैं क्या प्ले कर रहा हूँ अभी, तो होता है प्लेइंग. ही टोल्ड मी आई एम प्लेइंग योर फादर. 8-10 दिन आता हूँ, साइन करके जाता हूँ, खुश रहता हूँ, और तू हीरो है शो का और तू ये हाल में जी रहा है. दैट्स व्हेन आई रियलाइज कि जो मेरा क्राफ्ट था, जिससे मैं प्यार करता था एक्टिंग में, उसी को धोखा दे रहा हूँ. एंड दैट्स व्हेन दैट वन मोमेंट, हाफ एन आवर विद हिम, आई विल नेवर फॉरगेट. एंड then I started working on I started acting seriously on television as well, and then I never looked back.
So there is this notion that I'm sure that कि TV नहीं करना और
The bigger makers don't take you seriously. It's true.
why?
I don't know. Ask them.
Them why?
I thought I've worked with them, so I have no idea.
Them.
After so many years, they worked with me.
हेलो मैं तो अभी शुरू किया है. मैंने
नहीं, but in general, but in general,
मेरे ऊपर क्यों डाल रहे हो यार?
like bigger makers को बोला.
मैंने अभी तो डेब्यू किया मेरा.
Jay is like जय बहुत पहले से शुरू.
मेरा पहला शो है.
जय बहुत
अभी
पहले से.
मैं तो ले लिया.
जय गैंग्स ऑफ वासेपुर से शुरू कर चुका है. उसकी जर्नी अच्छी रही है. बहुत अच्छे टीचर्स से, from Anurag Kashyap to Hansal Mehta to everybody, he's learned from the right people. That's why what he is. Yeah. So yeah, but I've seen that. जब मैंने TV छोड़ा ना, I met all, and I was a decent TV star. And I thought I'll be welcomed on OTT, but I met most of the big directors and producers because they've seen me on television. They met me and everywhere. So I started contacting them. मैं मिला, खाना सबने खिलाया, फ़ोन पे बात कराया बहनों से, मम्मियों से कि fans and stuff. काम नहीं दिया. Because I think they couldn't see me playing this character. They could only see me like what I was on television, the hero on television. They couldn't see me beyond
But
that.
do you think typecasting happens that way कि अरे तो यही play कर सकता
यही
है?
play कर सकते हैं. But then you need someone makers with balls to trust in you. अब मैं मस्ती कर रहा था like them, like how they gave me a break, thinking I can do something else as well.
Last two talking points before we wrap this. You mentioned, Jay, about nepotism. Firstly, there is notion that that nepotism is bad and all of that. मतलब क्या? Why?
Yeah,
Why
they
such?
go-
Utter
Why
bullshit,
such?
boss.
Why
It's
such?
not- I
डॉक्टर
mean-
का डॉक्टर बनते हैं, बिजनेस का
exactly.
बिजनेस बनता है. Like, nobody has a problem.
Correct. So
And secondly, they work as hard, in fact harder, because they're carrying a legacy.
Yeah.
They have only a banyan's
The baggage
tree,
also.
banyan tree's child gets a chance. Number one. The only advantage they have कि कोई सुन लेता है, कर लेता है. Audience doesn't give you any chances.
Yeah.
It's the same journey. Yes, it might get you that first break, which in sometimes
First,
is a lifetime
second,
for
third
people.
मिलता है.
But
ठीक है.
but it is a tough journey. And fact is this: only the deserving survive. End of the day.
Yeah.
And in today's world, with all the mediums we have in OTT space we have, there is enough work for everyone: actors, technicians, everyone. So live and let live, man.
Yeah,
Stop
so
cribbing.
yes, of course, there are other advantages. Yes, there is
There are.
the first advantage that I had was the fact that Hansal sir knew Anurag Kashyap. He knew Anurag sir, and he asked Anurag sir to take me on as his assistant. But then after that, he left me. Then after that, it's what I
It's
do
him.
with it, no?
Yeah.
If I'm a bad assistant, he would have fired me. He had no reason not to. I was not the best AD, but I became good with time. I only started working with him when I was barely 18. I was 17 years old or 18 years old when I started interning with him. But then it's what you do. You learn, you grow. अभी फर्क ये क्या है ना कि लाइन में तो मैं भी खड़ा था. फर्क बस इतना था कि मैं जहाँ खड़ा था ना वहाँ से व्यू बेटर था काउंटर का. और क्या है इंडस्ट्री की जो पार्टी होती है ना, लाइक इन अ फिल्मी पार्टी आई एम कंसिडर्ड एन आउटसाइडर एंड टू आउटसाइडर्स आई एम कंसिडर्ड टू फिल्मी. That's the difference.
Yeah, but nepotism, I think it's absolutely fine. अगर सुपर ने राइट बोला, अगर डॉक्टर के बेटे डॉक्टर बनेगा तो वो ठीक है. अगर वो अच्छा डॉक्टर है कि नहीं है वो बाद में पता चलेगा. So अगर एक्टर या
In
डायरेक्टर
that
या
case, तो you're
प्रोड्यूसर का
dealing with
बेटा
the lives
अगर
of people. You have
Yeah,
to
अगर
again-
ब्रेक मिल रहा है, आई एम एन एक्टर माई सेल्फ. लेकिन मुझे कभी नहीं लगा बुरा के बिकॉज यार उसका बेटा है तो ठीक है, अगर वो अच्छा है तो लास्ट करेगा, नहीं है तो नहीं करेगा. ब्रेक तो मिलेगा ना. उनको ये अलग बात है, उनको फर्स्ट चांस, सेकंड चांस, थर्ड चांस मिलेंगे, लेकिन उसके बाद तो he has to prove.
Yeah,
ऐसे
it's
बहुत
very
सारी
hard. Yeah, the
stories
second
हैं.
chance is not.
And again, when
it's
you
not
want
easy
to be
when
an actor or a director, anybody, when you're not in the industry, you know the facts of the industry. You know the true picture. कि ऐसा भी मौका मिलता है और ऐसा ही मौका मिलता है और ये तरीका भी है, ये तरीका भी है. असिस्टेंट बन के भी डायरेक्टर बन सकता हूँ, पढ़ाई करके भी डायरेक्टर बन सकता हूँ, सीधा डायरेक्टर बन सकता हूँ. इट्स अ मैटर ऑफ विच वे व्हाट यू टेक. यू आर अवेयर ऑफ एवरीथिंग. यू आर नॉट ब्लाइंड. सो स्टॉप कंप्लेनिंग. गेट ऑन विद इट यार. यू आर वेस्टिंग टाइम. लाइफ इज टू
हमारी
शॉर्ट.
इंडस्ट्री ऐसी भी है, हमारे लिए डिफिकल्ट हो सकता है हम बाहर वालों के लिए, लेकिन इफ यू गुड ना कभी यू विल बी देयर.
I have no background in
What
anything.
is-
Yeah.
I'm writing, I'm directing, I'm shooting, I'm producing. कर रहा हूँ
See,
ना.
what is the difference with, like, in my case, the only difference I have from someone else is that I have a slightly better understanding of camera angles, formats, and screenplay, writing, and all of that.
Basically, सब
Then
कुछ हो
someone
गया.
else, that's it. But that's what is the difference. I have a little insider information, but isn't that what you're taught, to use whatever you know in order to get whatever you want? That is something we're all taught through school, in your jobs. Use whatever information and knowledge you have to achieve whatever it is that you want. What is wrong with doing what I'm doing, or what any of these other kids who are, and I feel, I'm still in a very easy place where I don't have that bag. My baggage isn't as, like, I see some, really big star kids and all. Man, it's hard. The way people troll them, if they make one wrong move or anything, it's like no one deserves that,
Yeah,
man.
but if they get a chance,
No, but
then
no one
trolling you, I
deserves
think.
to be treated that way, whether good or bad. At the end of the day, there's still someone's kid, there's someone's sibling, there's some,
And as a
some of
parent,
them
I
are
want the
parents
best for
also.
my child. उसमें क्या मतलब बुराई है?
क्या बुरा है?
Who doesn't
Of
want the
course,
best for the
I
child?
know for
यार?
a fact that he would love his, his
If
son when he grows
if
up.
Avan wants
he
to be a
would love-
director or actor, I'll make him. यार. I mean, I'll at least give him that incentive कि ठीक है, come to my set.
or you
work with
assist me, or assist me. He'll send
If you're
his son
good,
to assist
great.
me.
If you're bad, I'll tell you कि भाई कुछ और कर.
तो ये तो बहुत सिमिलर हो गया ना. अगर एक
भाई,
दोस्त,
if his
अगर
son
आपका
is
कोई
bad,
दोस्त एक्टर है
industry
and you
बोलेगी
want to
उसको
become an
कुछ और
actor,
कर.
you would go up to him or her and ask,
Yeah.
be like कि यार सुनना, casting से बात करवा दे यार एक बार, यार intro बनवा दे यार.
Yeah.
And
What
fact
is
है,
wrong?
अगर कोई अच्छा नहीं है ना, nobody gives you a leg up.
Correct. Correct. So I just wanted all of your thoughts in terms of the entire nepotism controversy or whatever that's happening
Yeah,
on the internet.
It is
depends,
what
yeah,
it
yeah,
is.
see, at the end of
It's
it,
just
I'll tell you
unnecessarily
something.
media. It's a nice talking point right now.
हाँ.
Yeah.
4 साल कोई बात
and
नहीं करेगा.
The truth is,
कुछ और बात करेगा. It's one of those things.
मुझे
Just a
बताओ
talking point.
कि
Nothing
अगर
else.
आप एक फिल्म पे, आप प्रोड्यूसर हो, ठीक है, आपने 50 करोड़ डाली एक फिल्म पर बनाने के लिए, तुम उसमें नए एक्टर को लोगे? तुमने अपने जेब से 50 करोड़ डाले, नए एक्टर को लेके रिस्क डालोगे कि चलना, लेट्स टेक अ पंट ऑन हिम, लेट्स सी इफ द फिल्म डज वेल. Will you put that money in yourself, or will you say no, I at least want my 50 crores back, let's take a big known actor?
Hedge your bets. You go to a hedge fund
What
manager
would
who's new, or you
what
go to a
would
hedge
you
fund
do?
manager who's
What would
Motilal
you do
Oswal?
in
हाँ,
that
of course.
position?
I would think about it कि यार
Because it's money.
It's money involved,
So
yeah,
at the end,
of course.
it's the,
It's business. No, it's a
Yeah.
business plan.
and there is
You
no
hedge your
denying,
bets.
why are you paying these big actors the kind of money that they're being paid? They have earned that following. They give you a minimum guaranteed return on the investment that you are making. At the end of the day, we forget that this is a business. This is not me being a painter with one canvas, a bunch of paints and a brush doing everything alone.
And then
This
a
is
painter
me-
will realize that, listen, these paintings sell, these do not. Let me evolve my craft or market myself in a way that these paintings become relevant.
But that is still one person. This is a very expensive art. it requires a village, an army of people. यार 300 लोग लगते एक फिल्म बनाने में.
It's good to read Ayn Rand and
Resources.
want to be a Howard Roark. Howard Roarks don't survive. It doesn't work that way. And end of the day, everybody wants to make commercial shit. Even the independent filmmakers, end of the day, make studio films only.
No, I relate to this because like all that y'all mentioned about this because we've produced a film before. We've done a Bengali film before, and we were very much sure as to the kind of actors we wanted for the film, and we cast Rituparna Sengupta ma'am and Victor Banerjee for the roles
Why
because
didn't you
we
take a
were
new actor?
sorry.
Why didn't you take a new actor?
Of course, I mean you mentioned it. You answered it yourself that
Exactly,
there's money
right.
involved,
So
right?
there's nothing wrong
So
with
these
it.
questions should stop
And
being
what
asked.
if-
No, is my
and
question.
No,
thing
no.
is, okay.
My point is, sir, क्या होता है ना, एक तो हम क्लोज रूम में बात करें तो यहाँ पे क्वेश्चन पूछना नहीं पूछना इट्स अ डिफरेंट स्टोरी, बट इंटरनेट पे बहुत बातें हो रही है, एंड बिकॉज आई एम सिटिंग हियर
But again, it's for industry. Nobody talking about say Telugu, Tamil or Malayalam film or Kannada film like this कि वहाँ भी तो है मतलब यार सब फर्स्ट फैमिली ऑफ सिनेमा ही है. कोई बात नहीं कर
वहाँ तो
रहा.
बहुत ज़्यादा.
यहाँ it's fashionable to shit on Bollywood. Why?
और
Why are we shitting on Hindi films
हाँ
and Hindi filmmakers? Why? Is it fashion? It's fashionable.
It's easy.
So
It's easy, no, lowest hanging fruit.
जो जहाँ पर है वो डिजर्व करता है इसलिए वहाँ पर है. अगर वो
And
डिजर्व
if
नहीं
you're
करता तो
bad, I
वहाँ पर
mean,
नहीं होता.
I don't want to
Tell me
name,
who
I
at the
don't
top
want to
is bad
name-
today and doesn't deserve to be there.
Yeah.
Audiences will not spend that kind of money on anybody who doesn't
Yeah.
he or she
एक
does
भी
not deserve to be
इंसान
there.
Of course,
बोलो, एक भी
of course,
actor
of
बोलो.
course.
And there are enough examples of people who have not been able to crack it or do it, no? And doesn't mean they're working any less. They are also fathers. They are also someone's, son. They are also somebody, no? At the end of the day.
It's time we stop shitting
They
on
have
people.
they have a kid. That kid doesn't know, oh, my father is the son of such a big star. उसको 5 साल के बच्चे को थोड़ी समझ है. लेकिन जब पूरी दुनिया मजाक उड़ाती है उस आदमी का, तो बच्चे को कैसे लगेगा?
I remember when you spoke about Shah Rukh Khan. I just read, I heard him saying this, कि I wanted my youngest son to know what a star I was or something like that. And then Jawan and Pathan happened and stuff. Because he's not seen the craze.
He doesn't know.
Huh? Yeah, he's not seen the
People
craze. Yeah, वो क्या थे. So अभी उन्हें बच्चे को पता चला कि what he is. And वो उसका achievement था. How amazing that is.
Unfortunately, my sisters are too young. They're not able to watch any of the stuff we make.
They will watch very soon.
सारी एडल्ट फिल्में हैं तो कुछ भी नहीं दिख पाए.
What is your last question? ये तो बंद ही नहीं होगा.
नहीं, माई लास्ट क्वेश्चन वाज आपको किसी को बिग बॉस करना है क्या?
मुझे नहीं. हाँ.
He'll be so entertaining.
You'll be, oh my,
I
they
want
can't
to see
afford
you in
me,
Big
huh?
Boss. No, we'll afford
Is
you.
that a
Big Boss will
challenge?
shut down actually.
Is that a challenge?
They'll
कितना
need a
लेगा
Big Boss
भाई?
unfiltered.
कितना
हाँ.
So
लेगा?
how much would you
Amir is
want
asking you a
to
question.
How much
go on
will
Big
you
Boss?
take to give your sex appeal to Big Boss?
1,000 crore? Exactly.
ये तो
हाँ.
मतलब anything.
ये कुछ भी बोल रहा है अभी यार.
क्यों नहीं?
ज़्यादा हो गया.
मैंने ना बोला ना सीधे इसलिए.
मैंने
हाँ,
actually
सीधा
कभी
ना.
देखा नहीं है Big Boss. तो
I love Big Boss.
I haven't watched.
You would love to be on the show?
I don't have TV.
Huh?
I don't have.
No,
any
but
TV.
I'm too scared to be there.
Why?
Because I'm scared of meeting people whom I don't know and staying with them at एक घर में and dealing with them.
It's a house, not a prison, bro.
It is a prison. Bro, you haven't seen it, na? Ask me. Out of 15 seasons, I must have seen 8.
No, I know what Big Boss is.
I've seen it.
I only
It's a-
see like
it's
the clips that go viral.
No, I
You're
see,
asking for it.
I see the show.
You're dying for it. Get
off my
back. Dude, what a... Oh, man.
Pick it up if
she's
it bothers you.
I love her. I love her.
She's awesome. Pooja.
Pooja Mishra. Yeah. Dude,
is
she's
this?
बहुत साल हो गए, yeah.
I love that.
But Goa ke Papite should make her appearance on Big Boss very soon.
ये कौन है? वही?
Deepak Kalal. हाँ.
On that note, thank you so much, guys, for being a part of the show. One last tip for any aspiring filmmaker out there, whatever you guys have, aspiring actor, aspiring filmmaker, writer, director, producer,
मैं खुद ही
anything that you
aspiring
guys
filmmaker
have, go on.
Just do it.
Yeah, exactly. मैं भी वही
Keep
करने वाला
fighting.
जूते खा के सीखेंगे हाँ.
नहीं, keep at
Well
it.
done.
Keep at it. As an actor, if someone wants to be an actor, just keep at it. But ऐसा भी मत कर लेना कि 10-15 साल निकल जाए and then you still trying. मुझे ऐसे बहुत लोग मिलते थे शूटिंग जब मैं टीवी करता था उस वक्त कि हम 10 साल से फिल्म सिटी में रोज आते, मुझे उनके लिए बहुत बुरा लगता था. Because then you have to know where to draw a line and where to stop. but you have to keep trying as much as you can, as much as your passion is there, because I think this industry has so many fighters who've been there, gone down, then again come up. It's filled with stories. So just be at it, but understand also if it's really meant for you. If you feel under se it's meant for you, then be at it. Kabhi na kabhi to this industry is very beautiful, and it welcomes a lot of people. So it will welcome you someday if you be at it.
Sweet, sweet. What about you, Jay?
यार आई एम इन नो पोजीशन टू गिव ज्ञान टू एनीवन यार. आई एम टू न्यू. मैं क्या ज्ञान दूंगा लोगों को.
But फिर भी
यार आई थिंक फ्रॉम व्हाट आई हैव लर्नड
because you've also had your own journey.
Yeah, I feel like unless you have an irrational amount of passion to make a movie or to be in the movies, don't do it. Because if you come here, unless you have the real picture or unless you have an insane amount, like an unsurmountable, irrational amount of love for this medium, you will hate everything. You will hate everything because nothing will be what you expected it to be. And the only way you will see through it is if you really love it. So unless you have that kind
Just
of,
be at it.
if you have that kind of drive, unless you have it, unless you want to really be here, don't.
Awesome, awesome. Thank you so much, guys, for being a part of the show.
Thank you so much. Cheers.
Your final thoughts about how the show went for you guys on that master frame?
ऐसा show चल रहा था क्या?
हाँ.
अच्छा, good.
कैसा लगा? एकदम honest, एकदम सच्चाई से बता दो.
chill.
बहुत ही गालियों से भरा हुआ, and thanks to Supan and
सेक्स और चिरकिन से भरपूर हमारा सेक्स अपील ऊज करता हुआ द चिल आर.
He has given me an outro for life. I'm just gonna play Supan for all my episodes. That's the outro.
This is like, yeah.
my
Jay,
favorite
why
गाली,
don't you?
my
हाँ,
favorite
sorry.
गाली, जो मैंने बोला मेरी favorite गाली, बस वही है.
Now you say your favorite gali.
कैमरा ऑफ हो गया, बोलता मैं भागूं. उठ रहे हैं हम लोग. My son has been calling me. He's been waiting.
उठ रहे. एक सेकंड. जय सर, आप सब्सक्राइब करने बोल दो मेरे चैनल. मेरे चैनल का नाम है दीपक पारिक. सब स्पॉटिफाई भी फॉलो करने बोल दीजिएगा.
Okay.
हाँ.
जय सर बोलो.
कैसे बोलना है?
आप अपने हिसाब से.
अच्छा.
बोलो.
Line रट्टा करने को. Hi, this is Jay Mehta and you're watching Deepak Parikh on the Chill Hour. Please like, share and subscribe and also follow us on Spotify.
Well done, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed, please subscribe our channel. This keeps going on. You've already seen the episode so far. Please comment down your favorite part in the comment section. We're going live every Friday at 6 p.m. कोई मेरी बात सुन नहीं रहा. You please stay ahead. Follow us on Spotify. There's a new channel called Deepak Parikh Clips. Please
What are
subscribe
you
to that as well.
doing, bro?
And thank you for watching. We'll see you around next Friday at 6 p.m. Thank you so much, guys.